Hey guys, Scott here. So we are back again with the XbotGo. Now this is their tripod and I want to show you this before we get to the camera, so just bear with me because their tripod is amazing. That's how easy it is to open it and close it. You do this, you twist it to the lock position, do that for all the other legs. So if you don't have their tripod, highly recommend it. You're ready to go. It's that simple. I'm gonna use it for my GoPros and everything now. So let's go ahead and show you the camera. So this is the camera that you probably never knew that you needed. So if you go to sports games, football, basketball, baseball, any kind of sports events, hockey, volleyball, you can set this up to automatically track, which is amazing. And you can control it with a controller, wireless controller. And you can place your cell phone on here or other device, MP3 player or something else, and it holds it. So you can get it, like, let's say you want to record this angle, you can put the camera on and get another angle. But this is what it looks like, and we'll show you guys up close. But to put it on the tripod, would have been faster if I turned it the right way, but it is really simple, really easy. Fully rotates. All right, let's set this up more. So with the tripod and camera combination, it's unstoppable. You just simply press to turn it on. You can do the app and sync it up with your phone and all that fun stuff. But this thing is nice. So what you guys loved about my last review is you loved actually just to see the tracking focus. So let's go ahead and just simply get to that.
让我直接看。你是需要很多吗？还是补几张就行？我补些视频。你要手快，咱就不需要别人墨迹。其实不太需要墨迹。哥，你。 在附近逛逛，好不好？就剩咱俩了，兄弟！他俩跑得这么快吗？没事，我这个快，我就拍几个这种镜头。
All field testing for various sports, allowing you to fully record a match, freeing your minds and hands, while still allowing you to enjoy watching various competitions.